To celebrate the birthday of my inaanak, we spent the day in the zoo. This is the Abalon Zoo that located in Rodriguez, Rizal, a must-visit place for those who love animals and nature. Mabubusog yung mga mata mo dito sa greens habang naglalakad kayo. Matutuwa kayo sa dami ng mga halaman at malalaking puno. Sulit din yung mga binayad nyo dito kasi napakadami nilang alagang animals. Ang colorful ng mga birds nila dito. Marami rin animals na first time lang namin nakita. Tuwang-tuwa yung mga kids sa mga interaction nila sa animals. You can feed the animals here. You can just buy food from them. When you go here, make sure you wear comfortable shoes and clothes. Magdala rin kayo ng water bottle nyo. Pwede naman siyang dalhin. Bawal kasi magdala ng food kasi meron sila naman ditong resto where you can buy foods. O, diba yung energy nila hindi na uubos patapos na kami? It was really a fun day.